Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, sit down and get ready for this video because I have a huge warning for everyone in Bitcoin right now. But of course, I want to be talking about the Bitcoin price on the hourly candles because yesterday we broke out and we formed a new all-time high. And the most important question right now is, of course, is this here already the rejection and Bitcoin is going to go lower? Or are we going to go higher, knock out our measured move price target and even go to higher price levels? Well, this is exactly what I want to be talking about today. But in the second part of today's video, I want to zoom out on the weekly candles and show you this biggest W pattern in the history of Bitcoin. And I want to tell you why this W pattern speaks a clear language here about one specific warning for the Bitcoin price right now here in the immediate short term. I want to talk about this warning signs and I want to urge you to watch this video until the very end because what I have to share today is certainly very important for everyone in Bitcoin right now. Also guys, huge shout out to you. In yesterday's live episode we broke all records, 42,000 people watching live, 8,600 likes. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. Thank you so much for making the MMCrypto community not only to the most profitable one but also to the most engaged one. So sit down, scroll down, smash up the like button, press subscribe, press the bell, press on all, share this video with your friends, very important. And also guys, watch this video until the very end where I am going to share with you all my trades. My trade here on Phoenix, $132,000 in profits, $100,000 already taken. My other long-term trade on Phoenix, $320,000 in a profit, and of course also my Bybit trade here, $200,000 in a profit, $150,000 already taken. And of course the question, Chris, what are you going to do with your trade? And I can tell you something, I am going to take profits here today or tomorrow. I will show you on what specific trade I am going to take profits, how much profits I am going to take and much more. And also more importantly, what is my next trade for Bitcoin? I am going to talk about all of that. Also guys, if you want to be trading Bitcoin here with a free bonus, I have a special surprise for you. In the pinned comment down below, you will find more than $1,000 in free bonus by clicking the link and making an account on these exchanges and then following the deposit schedule. You can get more than $1,000 for your free trading as an experienced trader in the pinned comment down below. So make sure you take a seat, you watch this video until the very end, and with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always we are starting here on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And guys, I wanted to take a few seconds here out of the beginning of the video before I go into my price targets, before I go into my expectations, and also the very big warning I wanted to give out for everyone in Bitcoin right now and just tell you guys, we made it, we crushed through a new all-time high. No one in the world can take this away from us. More than 24,000. It is completely crazy, guys. It is just amazing to have the best MMCrypto family. We were suffering for so long and right now we are finally getting paid here by Bitcoin. Thank you so much for that. And yesterday was crazy. I went live here in this live stream. I had accumulated 42,000 people watching this specific live stream while I was live. And we got, look at this, 8,600 likes. This is for sure a record, guys. You are the craziest crypto community in the world. Thank you so much for that. And right now I really want to go right now straight here into the content for Bitcoin. And what you can see here is on the hourly candles, we were actually breaking out yesterday out of this symmetrical triangle. The measured move price target is $24,620. If you went into the trade here at this specific confirmation point, then you are still in a profitable trade. However, we didn't hit the price target. And the question is, why didn't we hit the price target yet? And maybe is this rally already over here after Bitcoin forming the M pattern? Well, this is what I want to be talking about right now. Before, I wanted to show you just very quickly here how beautifully the Bitcoin price broke out, went down on the 15-minute and confirmed the breakout. So technically, this was a very beautiful breakout here. And if you took profits on the way up, of course, even more congratulations. But you can see here after the Bitcoin price having a rejection here on the hourly and then having a lower high on the hourly here, it looks like an M pattern and that the Bitcoin price is breaking out. The technical target of the M pattern is already fulfilled, so of course not the most apocalyptic scenario, and we were actually bouncing here also exactly at the previous confirmation point. So far everything looks fine here, but I wanted to tell you, maybe there are some warning signs evolving, and of course I will be talking about my price targets not only for December but also for January. But before that, I wanted to give you this very big warning, because I mean, we were going from our first trade. I was actually showing publicly here. Of course, I was trading before. I was opening at $9,400. I was consecutively here opening more and more trades because I was getting so bullish after breaking the $9,400 level. So of course, this big pump here, even though it is coming faster than expected, it is not a surprise at all. But at one point of time, we have to just expect that the Bitcoin price is going to reverse. I want to go here into the weekly candles, and what you can see here, actually, if I were to zoom in and then I pull out this EMA here, this is the 21-week EMA, and every one of you knows it. I mean, I already told you before. I don't want to be a broken record, but you know that the 21 EMA serves as a beautiful bull market continuation trend line, moving average here, and we had 7 touch points in the last bull market. So far we had 1 touch point already, which is amazing. After this $9,400 breakout, we got this bounce here, not only at the trend line but also at the 21-week EMA, and I mean, you see exactly what happened afterwards. I expect the same thing to happen over and over again throughout the next 12 months. The problem, however, is we are so overextended, so high here above the 21-week EMA, and this one is actually increasing at $1,000 per week. So that's why I think rather sooner than later we have to come down and we have to touch it again. That would be just a very healthy sign of a bull market, and of course we can just hope that this is happening rather later than sooner here. But something I wanted to show you is this specific blue pattern, this W pattern here on the weekly, because this is probably the biggest W in the history of Bitcoin. What we can see here is after the 2017 rejection down, Bitcoin was going down to the bear market. We had a big run to 14,000, a rejection, and then a second higher low actually in the Corona dump here. And the higher low is very important for this specific W pattern. It was extremely bullish once Bitcoin broke above the $13,600 level. But something I wanted to show you here is, and keep in mind this is the log chart, it looks like that the measured move price target is not fulfilled yet, but because it is a log chart, this is a little bit tricky. If you pull here from the swing low to this neckline here, this measured move target, and then you go over, then you can actually see that we came already so close to this specific target. Actually, this target would be among the $24,600 level, exactly the measured move price target from the symmetrical triangle breakout from yesterday. But something I can tell you guys is, and I am not saying that this bull run is over, I am saying maybe this run is over, we get a small correction and then Bitcoin goes higher, is that this is already close enough, guys. I mean, we didn't hit it perfectly here, but this is close enough. And at least with your trading portfolio, you wanna be prepared that this run, at least in the immediate short term, might be over. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but maybe this week or next week. And in this case, you wanna make sure that you are taking profits along the lines, because if a rejection comes, I personally expect the next rejection to go here towards the 21-week EMA. And if this happens in January, well, so be it, then maybe it only goes to 20,000, but the sooner it comes, the lower this 21-week EMA actually is. So please guys, I really want you to be prepared for this specific scenario right now. However, even though this is actually a price target which could tell us that this run is already over, we have some other price targets to look at right now. And if I were to go to the daily candles, then you remember the price targets I was actually quoting from before. Not only the price target here from previously, which we actually perfectly hit, the 2x Fibonacci retention level. No, we have another one, and this is actually one for January. So if we are getting this rejection here anytime soon. Who knows when it comes? I mean, Bitcoin, honestly, it's even surprising me here recently. We were going faster than expected. I was expecting these price targets. You know, I was quoting them, but that they are coming so fast, I am surprised about that. So of course, let's stand on the sidelines and just observe Bitcoin here. But one price target I could be actually looking out for, and I was talking about that before, after a potential rejection, I have a hard time believing that Bitcoin just shoots up straight to the $30,000 level, but it would be the $30,000 level here among the golden ratio, the 1.618, the $30,000 levels approximately right there. I would always be taking profits before we are hitting this specific price target. So actually my expectations for Bitcoin, what I think is the highest likelihood here could be, and let me go back to the hourly to the daily candles, because something else I wanted to show you is that we are getting a rejection. Who knows when this is going to happen, but one rejection point is actually possible here at this 2.272, if it's not this one here, because we already hit the W breakout target. If we are going higher, I think the last level here before we are getting a rejection could be this 2.272 level, the $26,800 level, if this is not already the high. And afterwards, we are finally getting this long-awaited rejection. But after the rejection, this is one thing, guys. The bull market is not over. I am expecting for the next 12, 13 months a massive, massive bull market. And it will be completely normal for Bitcoin to have a run, a retracement, another run, a retracement, a run, a retracement. This is completely normal. I want you to be prepared for that. But afterwards, I think in January, a reasonable, sounds crazy, a reasonable or realistic price target could be already the $30,000 price target. And some people are saying this is unrealistic. Well, if the history for Bitcoin returns and we are actually getting here something like in the past, look at this, 2011, 13, 17, then we are getting this parabolic run. And then Bitcoin is going to six figures, $200,000, $200,000. And inevitably, even though it feels just too crazy, it feels too easy, inevitably, we need these price levels. Bitcoin has inevitably to have like $10,000 daily candles, daily volatility. This is going to happen. So don't be surprised when in the next year we are going to hit $30,000, $50,000, 70,000, going to 50,000, going down to 30, going to 70,000, going down to 50. This will be completely normal. So please expect the unexpected here because the next 12 months are going to be crazy for Bitcoin. This is something I personally am expecting right now because we just entered this green box here I mentioned recently. So I am expecting towards the end of 2021 significantly higher prices, in my opinion, easily in the six figures. And once again, guys, I mean, yesterday was crazy. We got more than 8,000 likes on our live video. Look at this, it's completely crazy. Thank you so much for that. I really wanted to urge you, before I go into my price targets in my specific trades here right now, I wanted to urge you, please guys, if you appreciate the free content, take 1 second out of your day, scroll down, smash up the like button, support the YouTube algorithm here. And of course, also make sure you smash up the like button, you press the bell and press on all to get notified when I am releasing the next video. And something which is very important for me personally, if you want to do me a favor and other people a favor, share this video with your friend. Next to the like button, you find the share button. Make sure you share this video with your friends and you also distribute this content out in the world. YouTube loves when you are creating backlinks for this video. Thank you so much for that. And right now I wanted to go into my trades because the question is, Chris, how are you actually playing this market situation right now? How are you factoring in what you are actually expecting for Bitcoin in the immediate short term and also in January? Well, this is my long-term trade on Phemex, and you can probably already guess this trade here, which is $320,000 in profits right now. I am not going to take here profits anytime soon, no matter if Bitcoin goes down to 15,000 or whatever. This is a long-term trade. Let's make this one legendary. And I have my short-term trade, and this is actually a trade where I am going to take profits here very, very soon in the next few days, because what you can see here is this one is already $133,000 in profit after I already take $100,000 in profit here. And you can see here on the downside, I already took close to 20 Bitcoin here in my previous trades, including this one, this trade here. And this is a short-term trade with a liquidation price of $15,000. And if actually a big correction comes for Bitcoin, let me go back here into the charts. then you can see that the current 21-week EMA, and I don't think that we are going to have this rejection right now. Bitcoin is just going on too crazy. It is possible, I don't think it is going to happen, but the current 21-week EMA is exactly at $14,720. So at least there is a possibility of this trade getting wiped out. So I want to distribute a little bit more of these profits here over into the realized profits. I am going to do it here today or tomorrow, most probably here. I am going to take more profits here as the time passes, but here on this trade, on this Bybit trade, I actually have $200,000 in profits, and I already took $150,000, approximately 6 Bitcoin here in profits on this specific trade. And this one here I am going to keep on a little bit longer, just in case the Bitcoin price breaks the previous all-time high and goes to the $26,700 level I was mentioning earlier here. And the thing is, guys, if you want to take advantage of this current market volatility we are having right now, and you are not in a trade right now, I want to urge you for a little bit of caution, guys, because I was mentioning before, we need some caution here for Bitcoin right now. Of course, our price target is not hit yet. We can still go up and hit our price target of $24,700. But if you miss this confirmation point, then you should actually wait for the next trade. And I want to be talking about my next trade. But before, I wanted to tell you, if you want to take advantage here for the upcoming volatility for Bitcoin, in the pinned comment down below, if you scroll down to the pinned comment, then you find more than $1,000 in free bonuses for limited time. If you want to take advantage of that, make sure you click the Bybit, Phemex and HUUUUGE link. This is exchanges I am personally trading on, and if you are an experienced trader, you make an account within 20 or 30 seconds or so, and after your initial deposit, you find the deposit schedule here down below. You get more than $1,000 in free bonus, and you can use only the free bonus to make a trade, and you can withdraw the profits from this free trade also completely for free from this exchange. So make sure you take advantage of that. I was actually also trading on myself on free margin here, partially at least, in the past and also right now sometimes, because I think free margin is just a nice opportunity to implement a little bit of more risk in your trades if you are leaving your own money on the sidelines. So make sure you take advantage of that in the pinned comment down below. And look at this here. So right now we didn't hit the price target, and no matter what happens, we are waiting on the sidelines and we are letting the chart tell us what to do. So even if Bitcoin goes up here, just wait on the sidelines. Wait until Bitcoin forms the next pattern here, no matter if it is an ascending triangle, no matter if it is a symmetrical triangle, or it is a falling wedge, or whatever it might be, guys. Just wait on the sidelines, and I will be updating you on this channel in absolute real time when this pattern evolves, where we are probably going to break out, and what our price target is, and exactly how to trade it. I am going to update you on this channel. This is the reason why you are subscribed. This is the reason why you are pressing the bell, and also you are pressing on all here. And what I wanted to tell you is maybe Bitcoin is about to form a pattern here already. Maybe this is one of the first times we are not going to hit the price target, and this could evolve in basically everything. You know, this is subjective until it's not anymore, and this could be something like this. Now we have to wait here if we are getting a rejection and Bitcoin goes lower, and maybe this is going to be a falling wedge or whatever. I just wanted to tell you is that the charts, the price is telling us exactly what to do. So let's wait here. If you are in a trade, well, you probably have your stop loss set and you have your take profit set here. But if you are not in a trade right now, make sure you wait on the sidelines and you wait for the price action to tell us exactly what to do. This is what makes the MMCrypto community so successful. And if I were to go out here into the 4-hourly candles, then you can see here 30 patterns or so which exactly behaved like predicted, where we always took profits exactly at the price targets. So big congratulations for you guys for being a patient and a sophisticated trader here. This is exactly what makes the MMCrypto community so special. And now, as a quick ending word, I was sharing this here. I saw this somewhere on the internet that someone was sharing that there were more than 700,000 PlayStation 5 bought here just in the last few days or so. So I was posting that this month alone, more people bought the PlayStation 5 than ever people bought Bitcoin. And I mean, think about that. This goes to show how early we actually are. So if you are really thinking about selling your Bitcoin, think about that 99% of the people in the world, even more, are not holding Bitcoin. More than 99% in the world are short on Bitcoin right now. So by holding Bitcoin, you are going against the crowd. By holding holding Bitcoin, you are actually not part of the dump money, guys. Please think about that, especially when considering selling your long-term stack. We are holding our long-term portfolio for the next few years, guys. This is the plan. At least this is my plan, and you can let me know in the comment section down below what your plan is. I would be very interested in that, and I will be personally answering at least 20 comments here in this video. So make sure you leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon in the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, bye bye.